So, guys, I want to explain something very, very basic about a suit, the armhole. Essentially, this is the beauty of fit. What happens is when you have an armhole that is cut too big, first of all, you can't move. It limits your degree of freedom, so to speak, because the armhole is low and then you can't move. You know, there's something called a hug test. You should be able to hug somebody like this. If the armholes are cut very deep, it gives you freedom to hug. Should be able to move around. So what we did was last time, the armhole, he cut them a bit bigger because he thought they were more comfortable. And I requested this time to have the armholes cut a bit deeper. So what he's done is that rather than a 22 centimeter armhole, he's given me a 20 centimeter armhole, and you can see the result. They're deeper. Look at the back. The armhole is deeper and I can move so much more freely. This is just so comfortable. And the collar, as I'm moving, the collar is sitting on my shirt. It's not dancing around, if you look. So this is something very basic about armholes I wanted to explain. It's not so obvious, but it's one of the most critical things about the jacket that you have to get right. One more element of fit. So as you can see, he's adjusting my collar. But what I really want to talk about is the slip pitch. You see, the slip pitch, when you stand, the jacket should fall straight. Your sleeve should fall straight without any wrinkling of any sort. So usually, I mean, if the slip pitch is off, you'll notice some wrinkling on the sleeves, which means it needs to be rotated. So like in one of the other jackets we tried, the slip pitch was a bit off. So typically, when you have that wrinkle, what he does is basically he rotates a little bit. Rotates, you come, sure. He rotates essentially. So basically, if the slip pitch is off, what he does is that he rotates the arm a little bit to straighten it out. So that's it for the slip pitch. Thank you. If you look at most of the modern jackets, it's sort of like what I call a high fashion jacket. You know, they button them up so high, and it just sort of like makes, it just makes the jacket look ugly, because what happens is that I wear my trousers fairly high, but a lot of this, new fashion designers, they design trousers to start from here and then they button the shirt. So what happens is that you've got this piece of shirt showing here, which just makes the whole look very untidy. A bespoke jacket, it's important for you to sort of get the buttoning position right. And what we've done here, as you can see, the buttoning point here, okay, which corresponds with my belly button. It's right on my belly button, as you can see, right? Because the belly button is the fulcrum of your body, and it gives you a longer leg line. So this is the fulcrum. Anything higher would essentially throw your whole silhouette out of balance. So that's it. I just wanted to, share that little piece of wisdom with you guys. Thank you.